Looking for a Korean feels destination? Then you should keep on watching. Today's video will give you not one, but two places to go if you want a Korean-inspired escapade. Before we start, please like and subscribe. As a K-drama fan, who would not love to get into a place that will give you a Joseon Dynasty feels? This place is truly perfect to satisfy your inner Korean craze. One of the newest and modern Korean temple situated in the heart of Silang, Cavite. Built in 2008, the Manila Buddhist Zen Center is the first Korean temple in the Philippines. Entrance fee is 30 pesos per head. We paid upon entering to the guard on duty. Kid, same as our little one, is free to enter the place. The opening time of the temple is 9 in the morning. Doesn't it look like a scene from a Korean drama? Unfortunately, we weren't able to go inside the temple. You'll also find lots of statues there. The temple is about a 2-hour drive from Metro Manila and can easily be found via Google Maps or Waze. Parking is available on the right before you enter the gates. If commuting from Manila, ride a bus going to Tagaytay or Nasugbu, Batangas, and alight at Estrella Hospital at Silang, Cavite. Ride a tricycle going to Pook Dos and tell the driver to drop you off at the Korean temple. Next stop is just 10 minutes drive from the temple. We also visit this Korean food train still located in Silang, Cavite to continue our Korean feels trip. Busan PH is where you can satisfy your Korean food cravings. Food comes out of the kitchen that looks like a train, inspired by the Korean movie Train to Busan. You should not miss out their best-selling Korean street foods. The good thing about this place is they have this mini playground where your kids can play while waiting for your orders to come. Busan PH is located in J. Rizal Street, Poblacion 1, Silang, Cavite.